Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your shipping label on Vinted. So it's a bit of a process. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have uploaded an item to sell with some photographs and a description. This of course will increase your chances of making a sale. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is wait for your item to sell. Now, your shipping label can only be produced once you have sold an item and you know where your customer is located. Now, once you've sold that item, you'll get a notification making sure that you have the information about your customer, the actual sale, and the shipping method that your customer has chosen. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you've got your item ready for shipping, package it in a secure box or a shipping bag, and get ready to print your shipping label. Now, as I mentioned before, you'll only be able to have access to your shipping label once you have made a sale. So you'll now have the option to go into your app or your website and you'll see a print shipping label or download. So this is one of two options, and whichever is best for you. If you have a printer at home, you can go ahead and print it, or if you would like to download it and have it sent to a printer to have printed, you can do so too. Now, once you have your shipping label, make sure that you're attaching it to your package. Make sure that it is secure as well as visible, and you can send your package off. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.